Welcome to Van Gogh's video tutorials, and this tutorial is for anyone that's downloaded the Easy eBay listing template. So let's see what it is that you've downloaded. You will have downloaded a text document which is formatted into HTML, and it's got the table alignments in there and everything's ready to go. All you need to do is change the text and what have you once we get into the eBay description. So one of the things you may want to do is to change the background color, and if you look for this line here, it says background color. You see it there, background color is blue. We're going to change that just for the exercise into green. So that's the first thing you do. Sorry, let's spell that right. But you can make it any color you want to. You can make it red, yellow, orange. All colors are fine. The next thing we want to do is enter the images which we have uploaded either onto our own web server if we have web hosting, or Picasa, which is free, or PhotoBucket. The image size ideally wants to be around about 200 by 200. Anything bigger just makes it look odd on the page. Okay, so we scan down the document till we see the image holders. And there it is. This is enter image data 1, enter image data 2, and enter image data 3. So my pictures for this are hosted on Picasa. As I say, yours could be anywhere, PhotoBucket or your own website. And so let me just open Picasa and get the pictures. Okay, I'm in Picasa now. The image I've chosen is this one here, and that's the one I'm going to place into the images. Now I'm going to place the same image in there 3 times. Obviously you would want to change it to 3 images. We want to select the size, 200 pixels. We're going to hide the album link, and then all we're going to do is click embed image, and it will select all of that for us. We now copy that and go back to the template we've just downloaded. Okay, so that's going to be our first image, so image 1. So if we highlight from enter image 1 data here, okay, just highlight that and then just press paste. Okay, there's all the information there for our first image. Okay, we go back to Picasa. Sorry, I've gone back to eBay, and we're going to do the same again. Okay, it's going to be the same image for me, but of course you can change the image to whatever you want to. Again, I'm going to select it, I'm going to copy, I'm going to go back to the listing template, then we highlight enter image data 2, because this is where image 2 is, which is the middle one, and we select, just press paste, and there it is. Okay, and we're going to do the same again for image 3. We go to the image, we select the size, hide album, click in the box, copy, and then we go to the where it says enter image data. Let's just make the screen bigger for you. Okay, so we select enter image data 3 here, and we paste, and that's it. Okay, that's all we need to do at the moment regarding that. So we've now got the 3 images, 1, 2, and 3, all okay. They're the same image on mine, and we've also decided to make the background color for the header green. Now, as you can use this template over and over again, I would suggest at the moment you don't save anything that you've done, because there's no need for it. Just keep it as a blank canvas, and then each time you use it, just change the details, the information that you want, i.e. the background color and the images. Okay, so all we're going to do here now is we're just going to select it all, and I'm going to copy. Now I'm going to paste everything that I've copied here into the eBay description listing. So we'll go to eBay now, Okay, this is eBay's Create Your Listing. It's a standard page where you enter your title, subtitle, condition, your free picture, don't forget that one. And here we are. This is the part we're looking for. We're looking for describe the item you're selling. We need to select the HTML tag and place our cursor into the text box and paste. Okay, simple as that. We go back to the standard tab and we'll have a look at our template. And there it is. There's our template, and 1, 2, well, there are 3 images on there. It's just that the resolution on the screen doesn't show it, but they are all there. Okay, there they are. Let me just come back to where we can do some work on it. Okay, that's perfect there. Yes. Okay, let's go back to the top. We're now going to use the standard formatting tools that are available in eBay to change the where it says My eBay Listing. We can see that the background color is green, which we chose earlier on. So let's just highlight My eBay Listing. You can change that to anything you want to. Of course, you could call it prams for sale, for instance. Okay, so it's as simple as that. You just type in there what it is that you wanted. Highlight it and select a size for it. We'll say size 24. It's a good size for a title. Let's have a look at that. Okay, still a bit dull, so we'll highlight it again and we're going to change the color, make it white. Let's have a look. Okay, that's fine. And as you can see, all we do is just highlight it and edit it. The font isn't very nice. Let's make it a bit more interesting. Shall we say Trebuchet MS, for instance? There we go. Okay, prams for sale. Simple as that. Again, this text area here, this is all fully editable. You just change it to what you want, and you can change the font, you can make it bold, you can do anything you want to. You can add or delete as you wish. Okay, just to show you how you would change the font, for instance, you would select it all. Okay, and we'll make it Arial. Click on Arial, and there we are. It's all now in Arial. Okay, there it is. Okay, let me just go back to the top. We want to highlight some things. Okay, description, simple as that. Just highlight it and make it bold. Again, down here, the payment, we can emphasize that by making it bold. Use of template, again, we can highlight that by making it bold. Again, don't forget, you changed all this to be what you want it to be. You changed the text in this area to suit you. You can also make these description headers match the background color. Again, you're in eBay, we click on the color button here and we find a green. There we go, that's fairly similar. So, okay, so all we've done is we highlight the part we want. We go to here to the color coder and we press description, and there we go. We've got now the highlights are in green, and we'll have that one in green as well, and we'll have that one in green as well. There we are. Okay, so there you have it. We've now created a template. We've made it a bit more interesting than just your standard text. We've included 3 images for free, which you can see if I scroll down. There's the 3 images. Okay, and we can have a preview of what this is actually going to look like. Okay, let's have a look what it looks like. Okay, again, the resolution on the screen is for the camera is quite small, but you get an idea. Okay, there's the images, and there's the text, and it certainly looks a lot better than just your standard basic text saying that you've got a pram for sale. You can make it as interesting as you want to. You can format it any way you want to. You can tab it any way you want to. It's your template, and you choose how you do it. Okay, to get this template live, let's just close the preview. I'm sure there's a button here somewhere. Close preview. There we go. And we're back there. Again, we enter the details. Sorry, let me just put up here so we can actually do it. Well, if I put pram, for instance. Okay. And we're going to auction this. Again, this is your standard buttons that you would use to put any auction. There's nothing different now about this whatsoever. Sorry, 99 I think is the minimum, isn't it? Okay, and you carry on going down all your posts, and it still only cost us 10 pence. Okay, so you've got 3 images in there, you've got a template and as much information as you want to, and it still only costs 10 pence. To get this live, you just press the continue button and send it up to eBay. Okay, then again, this is just all your standard eBay pages. You can preview your listing again if you want to see it all again. Yeah, that's yours with the images and what have you. 10 pence. And again, what you would do now basically is just click on list your item and you're away. You might have seen 40 pence there. That's my account balance, I think, because in getting this template sorted out, I actually loaded it up 3 times before doing this, just to make sure that it did work. Okay, but it is only 10 pence. I think the fee, there we go, the insertion fee is 10 pence. If you have any problems, don't hesitate to contact me, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Many thanks. Bye bye.